Hey everyone, today let's review the MuscleTech Platinum Creatine, one of the North America's most popular creatine supplements. Is it really the best? Let's find out. MuscleTech Platinum is 100% creatine monohydrate. It is a micronized, ultra-pure creatine powder designed to support muscle strength, power, recovery, and performance with a clean 5G daily dose. It uses the most researched form of creatine monohydrate, with no fillers or additives. The key benefits are it supports muscle growth and strength. It improves recovery, easy mixability or pure formula. And here, the Muscle Tech has a long history in sports nutrition, backing its products with research and quality control. Many users see it as a credible choice among North American creatine supplements. Users typically praise its effectiveness and clean formula through some notes mild water retention, a normal effect of creatine loading. And remember, creatine itself can cause mild bloating in a few people. Is it the best creatine brand in North America? MuscleTech Platinum 100% creatine monohydrate is one of the top contenders, especially if you want a pure, reliable creatine powder backed by science. Just remember, creatine effectiveness depends on your training and consistency, not just the brand. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.